Look at my new HO charger. Remember HO slot cars? I just got this one today. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna try it on my track. I got my track out of my closet and put it together, and it's fun. Yesterday and today. This is a 69 charger. Let's open it. Remember these? The track I have is about 14 years old. I had one when I was younger. Maybe you did too. And I saw it in the closet and I thought, yeah, I want to play with it now. You know. And the cars were a little old and needed a couple parts replaced, like the guide pin was broke on 2 of them. Because they were plastic, I replaced them with metal ones. Anyway, look at this. What a world. Here it goes. Oh, look at that. Whoa. Isn't that nice? 69 charger. Is that something on the license plate? Says something back there. Can you read it? I have to get my magnifier. Hang on, let me get my magnifying glass. Let me look at it. This is a 69 charger, I think, but it looks like a 68.
Should we try to get a picture of it?
Yeah. Try to take a picture of it.
And enlarge it. Maybe 68.
68 charger, but package says 69. Let me see. Package says 69. All right, that's okay. That's a little blooper. That's great. Did you see that good enough? It's clearer in person, but it's hard to focus on that. Well, maybe it's not that clear. Anyway, it's nice, isn't it? Look at the big slicks. Look at.
It might say 69.
I don't know.
Let me take another picture.
She's gonna take another picture. She got a car too. You want to open your car, huh?
You can. You can
On
have
camera
the
here? You can. Take
pleasure.
another picture. CHRGR.
I think
Abbreviated.
it might be 69.
I don't know. All right. Well, that's a mystery. You look like an 8 to me. This is the car that Kathy got. Look. Just by coincidence, she picked the Charger too. And we didn't know which one we picked, you know, because they were on sale in the sale part of the store. Trains and lanes. Look at that. A little bit bigger tires. Let's open that. You want to open it or you want me to open it?
Go right ahead.
All right. What fun! Easier to open this way, right? You want to save the package? It's fun though, isn't it? Well, you got a 4-door. Oh, I'm gonna beat you. Maybe not. Purple. Look at that. You like that one? 4-door.
What does the license plate say?
Oh, it says something too. I don't know. This is a GoPro. It should. Let me magnify it. It says 2007. I can see it good with this.
Oh, good.
Can you? All right, so let's try these out on the track real quick. All right, I'm just gonna show you a couple clips of how fast it goes. They go so fast. The scale miles per hour, you know, is insane. Wow, isn't it nice? Like yours?
Yeah, I like it. It's shiny purple. It's gonna be fast.
We'll see. Well, here's the track. Set up in my garage. There's a piece of track that I keep these on so they don't get dirt in them. 2 Mustangs that came with the track. Here's a Camaro. That's the one I had to put a new pin in today. And a Nova. See? Same thing. New pin and new tires on this one today. Big deal. All right, look at the track. Watch how fast it goes. All right, which lane do you want? Come on over. See where it does? It goes around there. It goes up there.
I'll take the inside lane.
Right there. You want to go the right direction?
Okay.
All right, now my tripod isn't very good here, so I'm just gonna move the camera around here and there. Let's set these to 0. And whoever gets 10 laps first wins. But if we go off the track, what are we gonna do?
We're just gonna play with him.
Yeah, all right. Well, let's see how they work too. It's brand new, you know, brand new cars today. Never used before.
Look how smooth.
All right, let's see. But you gotta watch your controller if you're gonna be on that side of the track. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let me see. Oh, yeah. All right, let's ride around a little bit. Let me go with burnout here and get warmed up. Yeah. Oh, look at it. Here she goes. Oh, see how fast they go? You're off the track already?
It's a jump.
All right, these are new cars, so we gotta get the feel of them. Look at it, burns out right there. It's stuck on that counter, see? The lap counter. All right. All right, it's fun, you know. Not going real fast. Oh, I crashed into her, look. All right, that's cool. But I had this Mustang going around, floored. See this Mustang? That was going around full throttle. And it didn't come off the track. It goes so fast I can't even watch it, so bear with me, okay? I can't. So fast. Sorry I don't have perfect camera view of this. I'm trying to show the whole track. That Mustang's fast. Oh! Too fast. Look at it. Ah! Oh! It flipped over and came back. All right. Try the old Camaro. Look, it burns out there. Isn't that cool? See it? Ah, isn't that neat? Now I just set this up yesterday, so I'm showing you what fun it is. Oh, there we go. Burn out. See, it lays rubber over there too, if you can see it. Where's your charger? All right, this is a lot of fun. We wanted to show you our new cars. You know what time it is, don't you?
What time is it?
Time to eat.
Oh, time to eat.
Crash! Oh, crash! I'll take this one.
Okay.
I'll take that one. Oh, double crash under the can of worms. Oh, so much fun. I said that already. Sometimes I go around backwards. Look at it. so nice. Isn't that cool? We could set up a drag strip too. I might do that. At scale miles, it's like over 200, sometimes 300 miles an hour. The scale. All right. I'm both on the same track. Yeah, the purple one's fast. But you gotta learn how to drive it. So you stay on the corners and stuff.
Yeah, the purple one's lighter, and it goes flying.
Yeah, it lapped it. See, now that one's in the front. It actually lapped it. You know? That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
So we know that's faster. Mm. Oh, somebody wiped out. That's neat how it just sits there and burns out. Come on, come on. Burn out. Okay, isn't that a lot of fun? It sure is. Till next time. I might make the track bigger. I got a lot more track. But I had to share it with you because it's so much fun. Oh man, too bad they're not real. Whoa.